Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video it's gonna be about the Smashbox L.A. Cover Shot Eye Palette. I have been hanging on to this for a week and now I'm finally gonna try it on and play with it, and I already swatch them all and I will insert the pictures and footages on my camera, on the video. And all of the shades are pretty smooth to swatch, just some matte are a little bit drier, but overall pretty good. The palette is not so heavy but not so light. So this is Urban Decay from Born to Run, and you can see the size comparison is not that big a difference, but this one feel kind of like twice heavier than this one. Like, I like heavy palette when it's like expensive, but this one is not bad and it's pretty strong because I literally drop it on the floor and everything's still intact, so I was pretty happy about that. So let me go ahead, take out the eyeliner that came with this, and now I want to compare to the regular Cover Shot palette. So the pan size is about the same. If I can get this on, it's just like half. The regular Cover Shot retail for 29 bucks and the LA Cover Shot retail for 45 bucks, which it include the full size of Smashbox Always On Gel Liner. The shade is called Fishnet, and I just did the whole calculation. It is cheaper to get this one, and it says on the website that this whole thing worth $147, I think. And I also picked up the LA gloss, the Gloss Angeles, but I only picked up one shade because I feel like this is the most beautiful shade. The shade is called Hustle and Glow. So I think I'm gonna try this on my lips first because I had nothing on my lips and it feels dry. So. But I want to show you the bottle. Like, it looks pink, but it has like yellow and greenish shift inside, and a little bit gold. Like, it looks totally different in real life versus camera. And I actually never used any Smashbox gloss before, so I'm kind of excited. It had a little bit of like fainted scent, which is smell like the Becca Chrissy Teigan lip icing glow gloss. It smells just like that. And I do like the applicator. It's kind of like flat. I think this is the same formula as the Becca gloss one, which I really enjoy that. So that is it by itself. I think it's not bad, but now I want to see it on top of other lipstick, so let me go ahead and take it off. So the gloss kind of like came off, but I still can see a lot of like the glitter left over on my lips. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's like pink glitter. I don't know how I feel about that though. Okay, I just quickly put something on my lips, and this is the Smashbox Holidaze collection Always On liquid lip and Stepping Out, and then I'm gonna put this gloss on top. It is really pretty. I really liked it. Okay, I just zoomed you guys in, and I already primed my eyes using Fenty Beauty eye primer. And I'm gonna try to put as much colors on my eyes as possible so we see like how they're gonna be working with the eyes. So I think I'm gonna start with this orange, reddish orange here. Do you guys notice at like my last video I just changed my upload time to 12 p.m. Central Standard Time, and it was totally like bad. So I think I'm gonna switch back to my normal upload time. Anyway, just wanna let you guys know, and I will link that video down below. It's the smoky eye look for VDay. I think I want to drag this color a little bit to this side, kind of like fade it out, make it like a transition shade. I want to dip into the deep turquoise, which is called West Cider. I'm just gonna put on this outer half of my eyes with the same brush. There's no kickback yet, I have noticed, so that's pretty good. I have no specific look in my mind, so I'm just kind of like play around with the color, and then I'm gonna dip back into the first shade and then just kind of like bluff it in between the green. And these two color mix and looks like purple, which is the shade called Best Coast. I'm just gonna blend those two with this purple, why not? Now I'm switching into a smaller blending brush and dip into that purple and just kind of like blend these two and like dragging, making like a line. I would do cut crease or something. And I think this purple is the same shade as the other one that I have. I'm going back into the first shade and just blend everything in. Okay, I just did a fast cut crease here. I'm just gonna pack the shade called Venice Peach on that area. Let me go with my finger first. Oh, it's so pretty. And now I'm gonna go with the brush because it is easier to get to the detail part. Isn't that shade so pretty? And now I'm gonna go back to the green one. I'm just like glazing this to make it seamless. It's really pretty. For my lower lash line, I'm just gonna go ahead using, what should I use? I think I'll go with this dark brown here. I love that it doesn't have any fallout or kickback. And now I'm gonna smoke that lash, the lower lash out with this light brown from this section. Okay, moving on to this eye. Okay, I will start with this shade. This really cool tone, like almost gray brown shade. And I'm just gonna buff that on my crease. Everything blend together so nicely and easy. To be honest, I was kind of scared to play with the bright color, but I think it turned out really pretty. Okay, this shade has a little bit kickback. And then I'm gonna go into this shimmer dark purple, which is called East Cider, this one. And I'm just gonna put that like on the outer edge. And And then I'm gonna go into this shade. Is called Canyon Copper. This section really reminds me of the Lauder palette, which I did not buy that. I'm just gonna put this shade on the center of my lid, and I'm gonna dip back into the first dark purple one and just kind of like blend them together. And now for my inner corner part, I will go with this, which is really light shimmer, a little bit nude. It is more icy than the other side, which is a little bit more pink. I'm just gonna add a little bit more of that purple. For my lower lash line, I'm gonna go with this warm brick shade. This one. And you are called There's Valley. That's really nice and warm shade right there. I love it. You know what? I'll add a little bit here because I kind of want some more. And then I will smoke that shade out with Nectar, which is this matte nude here. And for the purpose of trying out all the shape, I'm gonna go with the gold. Put it here. Oh my god, that's so pretty. Obviously the camera doesn't do it justice because it looks way more gold in real life than in the camera. And then on this side, I think I wanna put platinum, which is this one. Oh, just this shade. Ooh, so that shade, when it's on my eyes, it looks way more silvery and frosty than on the pan. Pretty cool. Now let's try the gel liner. It's really smooth. I barely put any pressure on. It's just so smooth and so soft. And it doesn't smudge. Like, I literally just wipe it with paper towel and it's so cool. This will be good for waterline as well. I typically don't like to put eyeliner because I have really hooded eye. If I do it really thin. I just finished my eyes with some mascara, and so far I really like this palette and I feel like this is really worth the money and they're all really great, so I will be for sure keep reaching out for this. And I love you guys so much, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my videos today, and have a good ones everybody, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.